Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to use Mails.so to verify a bulk of emails. Is it valid or not? Or is it deliverable or not? So I'm going to use Mails.so and I'm going to use the API to check whether my emails are valid or not. So in the last video, I've shown you how to scrape 1000 leads using Apollo.io. And if you have not watched this video, I recommend you to watch this video. So this video shows you how I used Apollo.io to scrap email. So this bulk emails, you have it, but you don't know whether it's emails are valid or not. So that's why we're going to use this Mails.so and to check the email is valid, or we are going to check also is it deliverable or not. So as usual, I'm going to use make.com to automate and see and connect my Google Sheet, and here is a list of emails I have. So I'm going to check whether these emails are valid or not, because before I sell this system to someone, so it's important that its emails are valid, because if you're going to send a lot of emails, and it's better not to have email bounce. Even the emails are not valid, so it's not a good way to deal the business. So how do you authenticate? How do you do this? So this is my scenario in make.com. So I have a Google Sheet connected, and this Google Sheet, actually I've selected the spreadsheet ID, sheet name, and then I think right now for this example I've set the limit, but I have more than thousands of emails. So click on save, and then my next module is HTTP, and this is going to be the API I'm going to use, where I'm going to validate using Mails.so. So from the Google Sheet I mapped it, so you can see there, and this is my header, key, and then value. So once it is saved, and it's connected, the Google Sheet is connected to the second module, HTTP module, and here you're going to check whether your email is valid or not. After this, I'm going to have a JSON where I'm going to have a good data structure. So let's click and run this module and see what happens here. So yes, it's successfully running here. You can see there. So from the Google Sheet, it's fetching all the emails and sending it to Mails.so in the API, and this API is checking whether these emails are valid or not. And here you can see the complete operation bundle, and here you can see the deliverability, and you can see the data here. And so the status code is 200, so it successfully checked it. So this is how you will check the email address to valid or not, because before you set and create email campaign using any email provider, it's better to check the email whether it's valid or not, so that you can save a lot of money and also save a lot of time, because the email set it also brings you good deliverability for your inbox, because when you send emails to other people, you better check whether the email is valid or not. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, click the like button and subscribe for more AI and automation. And if you are interested and if you have any questions, and if you have any scenario, any things that you would like to learn in AI and automation, please comment below and please write me. And you can check my website, aiprofi.com. So here it's going to be, we build AI automated system for B2B leaders, and I have built almost 7 systems that is really useful for for example, if you want to build a lead generation system, or a project management your system, or hiring system. It's all possible. So, and if you are interested to talk to me, just book your call and talk with me for 30 minutes. It's a free intro call, and you can, if you have more ideas to integrate AI or automation in your business, I can surely help you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in another video.